Enkuyanja bycast bechikuru chambarra city okushajika na nokwerebera nagabo Robert Mugabe Kachebezi yaba narahizibwa nkame ya Urembo Mbarra ahabwa enchuro ya kashatu.
Your worship the mayor, that is your stamp, and it is used for authorization.
Kachebezi yatereberaga no hagati ya Karra n'amashemererwa kandi okurahira kwe kwayebemberwa registrar wa kote nkure yambarra Henry Twino Muhwezi.
Ruhanga yakunde nakunda kandi yapeza nakwamanya yakweza mujishanda kongera umushendo
na bwanyuma bakansara nabo barahizibwa.
A'udhu billahi minash shaitani rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. I, Marina Salma, swear in the name of the Almighty Allah, solemnly affirm that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Uganda.
Kuyamara kurahira Kachebezi yakwasubwe bikwato by'obwebembezi ebirumu stampu enjendererwaho yihanga development plan na nebindi.
This is a new Kachebezi. Very ready to listen, very ready to be advised, very ready also to consult you, and also to bring those ones that have not been supporting us on the board because they also had their ideas.
Charity Chibaju umunyeshengerokazi wa Mbarra City yarabura bebembeza basya barahizibwa okwe hari ubushomanguzi kandi yarahira kwarukuza kurwana sugwe wena orakozese kube sente za Mbarra City.
I want you to stand want my fellow leaders. There is not going to be corruption here in Mbarra City. We must fight it. Like the president said, 12th May, that this is the term for fighting corruption.
President nakunda mwanyo. Ekibire kikumwanyise nakyo mutamisi. N'entaro za Mbarra hezitaho. N'engambo zanyu n'ekisho. Aruko mushika takumugambira ekitingo cy'abantu. Ahika agire kutanyaguza mutahi. Nobore nagenda mana make ahimbura zirabaho mutajya mu Mbarra kabero bekamushobe.
Bonnet Ashobya Karusya nwe yatoranwa nka speaker kandi Mase Tusime kansara w'Eminyeto niwe yatoranwa ngo muhwezi we ahabwa TV West nde Elias Ratugusa.